Hi, and welcome to the new course lecture where we are going to study about session storage. Yes, we are going to learn about session storage in JavaScript. Let's open our VS Code and we are going to study about session storage. STORAGE, session storage. Let us go to the browser, hit reload, and everything seems to work absolutely fine. Now we are going to work with session storage. Okay. So first of all, we have the same example, weekday is equal to Saturday. And first we are going to use insert session storage. It's available inside window.session-storage, set item, window.session-storage, get item, and remove item. Same functions as in local storage. So first of all, let's insert the item into session storage. Hit save, reload, you get the data. Now how can you get the data? Just you need to pass the key in order to get the data. I'm going to use get data from session storage. And then I will try to alert this. Reload. Okay, weekday 1 is the key. I get Saturday as the output. If I want to remove this key, what I need to do is call the remove item function, pass in the key, hit reload, save, and you remove the key. So like this, you can use window.session storage in your JavaScript projects. If you like the video, do hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubts, you can mention me in the comment section below. And if you want the comparison, what is the difference between local storage and session storage, do comment me in the comment section below and I will make a video, a separate video for comparison between local storage and session storage. So I will see you in the next lecture. Till then, keep learning.